Hi everyone, my name is Mona and I'm a youth services librarian. Normally I work at Burton Bar, but today I'm coming to you from home to share some fun science and art crafts that you can do with materials you find around the house. Today we are starting with something really fun, a thaumatrope. Now I know that's probably a new word for a lot of you. A thaumatrope is a 1800s toy that simulates animation. So what it does is it creates an optical illusion where you think you're seeing something that you don't. So an optical illusion means your eyes, right? As our eyes process information, they're drawing it in and they're sending it back to our brain. And it's giving us the image that we see inside of our head. What an optical illusion does is it tricks the eyes into seeing something that's not actually there. In this case, a thaumatrope is going to be drawing an image on two separate sides of a circle, and when you make it go really fast, it's going to superimpose one of the images on the other, meaning it's going to make like those two images are blended together. So to make this, all we're going to need is a straw or a pencil or pen. It doesn't have to be a straw. We're going to need some tape, we'll need scissors, something to draw with, and then we're going to need two identical circles. White, this is a good tracing activity as well. I traced mine out of a mason jar, but you can trace it out of anything circular as well. So to get started, we're going to make our image, and the easiest one to do is a fishbowl with a fish. So on one side, we're going to draw our fishbowl. And I'm going to make mine relatively fast, but you guys can definitely take your time on this. I'm going to do a little bit of water in that fishbowl. Right, and I'm just going to basically make a quick little fishbowl here, and on the other side I'm going to make my fish. Now remember, we want to make sure that they are going to be in roughly the same position. If I put my fish all the way up here, it's not going to look like it's inside my fishbowl, because even if the images were combined, they wouldn't be next to each other. So I'm going to make sure it's in the relative same position, and I'm going to draw my fish, make a nice bright pink one. And then I've got my images done, so I have my fishbowl and I have my fish, and we're going to assemble our thaumatrope. So it's basically taking a little bit of tape and folding it in half to make that stickiness. And we'll need two pieces. We're just going to kind of fold it in on itself to make it sticky, and we will put one side. Stick that down, press it in, and then we'll turn it upside down, and we'll make sure to line up our image exactly over the top and kind of squeeze them down together. And so we've got our, so to make the image, we're going to put our hands down near the bottom, kind of make them flat like this so that you can move them really fast back and forth, and you're going to stare at it, and it will hopefully look like our fish is inside our fishbowl. In my case, it kind of looks like the fish is jumping out of the fishbowl, but it's fun nonetheless. You guys can make multiple of these, so if you want to make another one, you just kind of quickly pull that off, get two more circles, draw another image. Some of the popular ones from the 1800s were a bird cage and a bird, a butterfly in a jar, basically anything that could be inside the next thing. So be creative, try and make your own design. They can be as elaborate as possible, and have fun with this 1800s toy.